Hi, welcome to another edition of A Cup of Sunshine. We are living in very uncertain and challenging times. There is a sense of lack of control which can very easily lead to stress, anxiety, and grip us with a sense of fear. So, in this video, I'm going to focus on how we can bring positive energy within ourselves through our spaces and our environment. Watch this video for simple, easy solutions that will give you better sleep, better energy, and a sense of well-being. Everything is made up of 5 elements: earth, water, air, fire, and space. So one beautiful way of cleansing our energy is to balance these 5 elements within ourselves and within our spaces. These elements work together to produce a harmonious flow of energy, and having the right balance in your home can help to support your health and well-being. Let's start with space. Space is that element which represents vastness and emptiness. This can be achieved in our environment by decluttering our space. To free up the element of space, a very important thing to do is decluttering. For example, in my case, I looked at my dressing table and I realized I had accumulated so many perfume bottles, some which had very little perfume. They were just creating clutter, so they needed to go. Also, I had various bottles of lotions, whereas on a daily basis, I probably just use 1 or 2. So I decided to remove all the extra ones and give them away. This really helped in decluttering my dressing table. Being intentional about my belongings. What this means for me is that I like to have a specific space for each and every of my belonging. For example, I like to wear a lot of jewelry, so I like to keep a tray at my dressing table. So at night, once I'm about to go to bed, I can just leave all my trinkets and jewelry in that tray instead of just leaving by the bedside table or just leaving it here and there. Rearrange furniture. Another easy idea to change the flow of energy in your room is to change the orientation of objects or furniture in your space. It can be as simple as moving a side table or a lamp around, or as complicated as changing the orientation of your bed. Energize your space through sound. Space in the yogic tradition also refers to sound. So another way to change the vibrations of your room is to daily play some soothing chants in your room. I have linked some calming sounds in the description below which you can use. Display only what you use. This could mean different things for different people, but for me, for example, I realized that every week I probably just use one handbag, but behind my door I had several bags hanging even though I was just using one. So I decided to put the others in storage and every week change the bag. So this helps in again clearing out that blocked energy by removing objects which are sort of unnecessary or not needed in the moment. Earth. This is the element which helps us to stay rooted and grounded. Try to spend time in nature. Walk barefoot outside for some time daily. This is even more important right now as we are stuck inside. We need to reconnect with our earth element and let the earth heal us. If it's not possible to be barefoot in nature, at least try to be barefoot inside your home. Bring the outside inside, which basically means having some part of nature that you see outside, bring it that you find artistic or aesthetic, just bring it into your space and place it. It could be a stone that attracts you, a leaf, a dry leaf, a feather, anything that you see. So for example, today during my walk, I saw these beautiful dry flowers and they just looked like pieces of lace which had curled up. It looked really pretty, so I picked them up and brought them home to place them inside my space. Add some plants. To balance the earth element in your room is very simple. All you need to do is bring some indoor plants inside. These natural air purifiers magically uplift the energy by purifying the air in your space. Here, I'm bringing a fiddle leaf tree, which is known for removing humidity and purifying the air. The other plant that I'm introducing today is called the golden pothos. This is one of the easiest plants to keep alive. It's important to note that bringing the earth element into your space also means doing what is most practical and easy for you. Another very easy, low maintenance plant for your room can be the money plant. So if you are starting out with indoor plants, try to look for plants which are very easy and low maintenance so that you are not scared that you're going to kill the plant. Water is a cleanser, a purifier. You must have noticed how after a bath you feel like your energy has shifted and changed. Also, when you're very tired and you take a warm shower, doesn't it just cleanse you? We have all experienced the healing properties of water, and the reason for this is that our bodies are primarily made up of water. In your room, you can balance this element in many ways. Add a water feature. A simple way to do this is to use a bowl and add some water and mix some Epsom salt in it. Epsom salts are known for their healing properties as well as for cleaning the negative energies of a room. I personally love flowers and I like to add them wherever I can. So I have added them here to my water feature. Use copper to energize your water. I like to keep my drinking water in a copper container. Copper has amazing healing properties, from purifying your water, acting as an antioxidant, as well as reducing inflammation. Fire. Fire is that element which destroys negative energy by burning it. So in your home, we can bring the fire element by letting the sun in. If you are lucky enough to have natural sunlight in your room, make sure to let the healing properties of the sun's energy cleanse your space. If not, then try to take out some time and step outside so that you can get the healing benefits of sunshine. Adding color. Another way to balance this element in your room is by adding color which adds warmth. So colors like yellows and oranges. Here I've added it through my pillow, my runner on the bed, and some yellow flowers. Burning candles. Candles are my simple go-to to increase the energy and fire element in my room. If you notice, the sheer act of lighting a candle can help soothe and ease the mind. Air. The last element we are talking about today is air. Air is that life-giving force, the ultimate source of all energy. Having a daily routine of simple breathing exercises can help balance this element within you. Let the air in. To balance this every day, open those windows. Make sure you air out that room. Get that energy flowing. You will be surprised at the effects this can have on your day. Burn some incense. Burning incense has been a part of various spiritual traditions because it helps to remove negative energy and can bring peace into your space. Every morning after you draw your curtains and open that window, look up at the sky and have a moment of gratitude. Let the sounds and the smells purify your space so you can start your day the right way. So that's all for today from A Cup of Sunshine. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel to show us your love. It means a lot to us. Thank you. Good doggy. Good doggy, Mama. Good doggy. Good doggy. Good doggy. Good doggy. Say bye to the camera.